in Chicago this weekend for a quick gig with the Chicago Chamber Opera. And I'm here with a very special guest from a previous video, Mr. Ian Schwartz.
Hello.
I've performed with the Chicago Chamber Opera in a previous video from like 2018. Maybe I can put a little clip or something on it. Go here. Opera show with an Irish dancing feature in it, like a little sailor number, where we dress as sailors and we surprise the audience with Irish dance. Ian, how long has it been since you last danced?
Since I've put shoes on?
Yeah.
About 2.5 years.
I can't. You still got it? So when you're doing your toto winto, are you adjusting then coming back, or is that your spot now?
Sheesh!
So what I'm doing with Barbara, so I'm like on Barbara's side. Ian, how did rehearsals go?
Oh, amazing. Amazing. I realize how out of shape I am, so it's always fun to realize.
So excited. Got the old outfit back on. That's more like it. Home sweet home. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was a blast for me to bring you along on it. If you enjoyed it, leave a like down below. And hey, congrats to all of you who have finished my jig sessions. We put together 3 different jigs: regular, beginner jig, slip jig, treble jig, and 3 steps. Combined all of them together. At this point, they're all out there and ready to learn and practice. And if you haven't seen them, go check them out. Real fun time. Congrats to all of you who have mastered them already. I'm so excited to start working on the next tutorials and the next projects. I have so much to announce. I'm excited for the future. Cool things coming your way. Be sure to keep an eye out for them. Subscribe down below if you haven't. Hit the bell. That will tell you immediately when new videos come out. And yeah, hey. Things getting cooler looking every day. So yeah, have a good one. Happy dancing, and I'll see you all in the next one.